In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Oanda. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to oanda.com, and then on here on the website, you want to either click on Open Account if you actually want to open up a real live account, or click on Demo where it says Open Demo Account if you want to open up a demo account first. So if you click on Open Account over here, it's going to take you to a separate web page where basically you have to type in where you live and then a lot of different information as well. And as you can see over here, this kind of application will last around 8 minutes, and then after you come to the end, after you put in all your information, you'll then get yourself a live real account you can use to go ahead and start using Oanda for trading and stuff like that. However, if you just want to sign up for a demo account, you can click on Open Demo Account up here. You're going to have to put in only 3 things, so your email address, your phone number, and then your password as well. Then you have to click on the check mark over here that you have read and accepted the terms and conditions. Of course, you should read these first before you click that. And then you want to click on Open Demo Account. You'll be able to get your credentials to sign into your demo account onto your Gmail. And then, of course, after you do that, after you go to your mail, you'll see your login credentials. You can go to up here, click on Trade Online. It's going to take you to a login page where basically you're going to have to connect your account, and after you do that, this is what you're going to have access to, which is the trading platform from Oanda. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.